Good morning. I'm Rini Gupta, your tech host. Welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin. Apple to introduce new features in iOS 18. Google faces issues with AI overview feature. Elon Musk XAI raises $6 billion in funding. Redmi 13 4G to launch soon. Bharat Pay and PhonePe settle trademark dispute. Zip Electric to expand to Southeast Asia. Boat unveils AirDops 311 Pro TWS earbuds and more. To skip to any particular news story, use the chapters below and don't forget to subscribe to IT Voice and stay up to date and all the latest tech news. Apple is expected to unveil iOS 18 at the WWDC 2024 event on June 10. The update may include AI-powered custom emojis that appear based on a user text. Users might be able to recolor app icons with a new customization feature. Many new features will feature skills AI for enhanced functionality. Google's new AI overview feature has faced criticism for providing incorrect information. Instances include stating Barack Obama as a Muslim and recommending harmful action. Google acknowledged that problematic examples often involve uncommon or doctorate queries. Examples including using glue in pizza sauce and unsafe sun starring practices. XAI raised a $6 billion in Series B funding. They reached a $24 billion valuation. Investors include Anderson, Horowitz, and Sequoia Capital. The company's pre-money valuation was $18 billion. The money will be used to launch products, build infrastructures, and accelerate R&D. Redmi 13 4G is set to launch as a successor to the Redmi 12 4G. The device will be available in midnight black, ocean blue, pearl pink, and yellow. It features a boxy design with the flat edges and dual cameras. The phone will be powered by the MediaTek Helio in G91 Ultra processor. BharatPe and PhonePe have settled all legal disputes over the Pay trademark. The settlements and all judicial proceedings between the two companies. Both companies will withdraw oppositions in the trademark registry. Necessary steps will be taken to comply with the settlements agreement in court cases. Zip Electric received $15 million in funding from Japanese conglomerate ENEOS. The company plans to launch its EV rental services in Southeast Asia next year. Zip Electric aims to be 15 markets over the next 2 years. A pilot launch is planned over a Southeast Asian market early next year. Boat has launched the AirDops in 311 Pro TWS earbuds. The earbuds offer 50 hours of playback time equipped with the dual mics and beast mode of ultra low latency. Features a transparent ID design for a unique style. As we wrap up today's tech journey, this is Rini Gupta signing off. Don't forget to stay tuned and subscribe to IT Voice for your all tech updates. Keep embracing the ever evolving words of technology. Until next time, it's a goodbye for me.
आज हम बात करेंगे क्लाउडवर्क्स टेक्नोलॉजीज की तो काम कर रही है डिजिटल ट्विन्स और एंटरप्राइज मेटावर्स के क्षेत्र में। फाउंडर्स युवराज तोमर और कौशिक भारद्वाज ने 2019 में मेरठ से शुरुआत की थी स्टार्टअप। उनका प्रोडक्ट क्लाउडवर्क्स स्टूडियो नो कोड प्लेटफॉर्म है जिससे आप रियल टाइम डेटा से 3D ट्विन्स बना सकते हैं। इनकी इनोवेटिव टेक्नोलॉजी को देखकर शार्क टैंक इंडिया की नमिता थापड़ और अनुपम मित्तल ने इनमें $500,000 यानी 40 लाख रुपए का इन्वेस्टमेंट किया 3.2% इक्विटी के लिए। ये फंडिंग क्लाउडवर्क्स के लिए बड़ा माइलस्टोन था। साथ ही इन्वेस्टर्स जैसे वेंचर कैटलिस्ट, वन क्राउड, सक्सीड और प्रोविस्टा ने भी इनमें भरोसा दिखाया। क्लाउडवर्क्स की करंट वैल्यूएशन $12.5 मिलियन यानी 100 करोड़ रुपए है। ये स्टार्टअप अब ग्लोबल लेवल पर डिजिटल ट्विन्स मार्केट में अपना फुटप्रिंट बढ़ाना चाहती है।